Hey guys, my name is Courtney. I'm with Crafty Corner, and in this video I'm going to show you how to apply vinyl onto a curved surface. Okay, so now I'm going to take the washi tape and put it right down the middle of the vinyl transfer tape combo. We're going to line up where we want it to go on our jar. I'm going to take the transfer tape and peel it up from the paper backing. Alright, so now all of the vinyl is on the transfer tape and not on the paper backing anymore. So I'm just going to hold it and we're going to cut the paper away. And then we're going to slowly push the vinyl and transfer tape back down onto the jar. And then we'll remove the washi tape. And we're going to start by peeling the paper backing off again. And then slowly push down onto the jar. Take this one more time. And then we're going to slowly peel off the transfer tape. There you have it.